line, and we will raise our glasses high, raise them high. We will drink to our fraternity, and we will be loyal till we die, until we die. And now we love our sacred brotherhood, and we will laud it to the sky. And when the day is done, we'll drink just 1, 2 Sigma Phi Epsilon. Go!
And in 1988, I had the, I would say good fortune, perhaps some would say the misfortune, to serve as the Alumni Operations Director, which is a position that doesn't exist anymore. And it's unfortunate because the Alumni Operations Director's sole job was to connect the undergraduate chapter to alumni, to draft a newsletter, to plan events, to make sure that the alumni knew what was going on with the chapter. And I served in that position in 1988, which happened to be Illinois Gamma's 40th anniversary. And we planned a 40th anniversary celebration that I thought could not be topped. And I was wrong, because this anniversary celebration has certainly topped the one that we had when we turned 40.
And we listened to each other, and we encouraged each other. We became a very close-knit group, and we competed very well with other fraternities, especially in academics, intramurals as well, and various campus groups. I like to think that we were ahead of the national organization's wonderful Balanced Man program of 1991. Some may argue with that. We were a no-nonsense, get-it-done group of gentlemen who were primarily interested in getting a degree. We worked hard, played hard, and used a lot of common sense. most of the time. I'd like to propose a toast. I'd like to propose a toast to the people who made this weekend possible. I'd like to propose a toast to the Illinois Gamma chapter of Sigma Phi Epsilon. I'd like to propose a toast to the 1,200 brothers who have graduated in the last 75 years. I'd like to propose a toast to the 200 red doors across this nation. And, of course, a toast to the future of Sigma Phi Epsilon.
It is, therefore, resolved that on this day, May 5th, 2023, the National Board of Directors of Sigma Phi Epsilon Fraternity extends a heartfelt congratulations to Illinois Gamma as it celebrates 75 years of brotherly love and brotherhood at Monmouth College. And it is further resolved that the National Board of Directors recognizes Illinois Gamma and its alumni for their commitment and their dedication to our cardinal principles of virtue, diligence, and brotherly love, and to the balanced man ideal. Ladies and gentlemen, those are a lot of words to say well